there and welcome. You tuned in at the right time, because the word on everyone's lips is hockey.
Yushkevich stops the shot, shoots, scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
If there's no such thing as a perfect goal, then I guess that last one was just a figment of my imagination.
And after that quick one, I can definitely feel the walls vibrating.
This game is about to burst wide open.
Renberg was offside.
Yager assisted by number 5, Nicholas Lidstrom, and by number 19, Steve Yzerman.
Corson controls the puck. That's offside. Sundin usually wins the draws.
And apparently wins at Scrabble.
Offside, Toronto. Sundin, he gets by Yzerman. Shot the puck. Joseph denies him.
Watching him play goal makes me wish I hadn't slept through all those 5 a.m. practices.
McGillney has the puck. Shanahan, he gets checked.
Hockey makes you appreciate the simple things, like totally uncomplicated monster hits.
Belfour hangs on for the whistle. Roberts. Lidstrom knocks the puck loose. Lind has it. McGillney shoulders him. Lidstrom. Huge save by Belfour.
A well-placed hand puppet could have stopped that shot.
Smolinski gets the pass from Joseph Hecht. He gets shoved. Oates shoots the puck. Belfour makes the save, and he covers up for the faceoff. Corson. There's quite the disagreement going on down on the ice.
Well, the fights can happen, and they're more than just slapping.
I hope you're not rapping.
No.
He seems pretty happy about winning that one, Don.
Well, you know how it is. You tag them, and then you're it.
Green.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
And that's icing. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things.
Major for fighting.
McCulley. Reichel now with the puck. It's one-on-one. Shoots the puck. Joseph turned the shot aside. Berg. Healy with a wrist shot. Fedorov took the puck. Cross takes control. Healy corrals it. Toronto puts its second line out. Joseph turned the shot away. Saved by Joseph.
Among his weapons of choice, glove, blocker, pad, and a can-do attitude.
Yager shoots the puck. Belfour turned the shot aside. Renberg. Lidstrom runs over Reichel. He scores! Even the other team is feeling a little in awe of that one.
Though the pain of being scored against probably numbs it. Jim, they have a 2-goal lead, Jim. Midway through the first period, Jim.
Why do you keep saying my name?
No reason, Jim.
Assisted by number
Lidstrom
19.
takes possession of the puck. Shanahan got it. Chelios now has it. Yzerman grabs it. It's one-on-one. Shanahan! Yzerman takes control of the puck. Shoots it hard. Oh, he missed. Domi gets muscled off the puck.
Not a great hit by any stretch of the imagination.
Cross gets laid out. Shanahan grabs the puck. Hecht. Shoots it! Belfour, great save!
Proving that denial is more than just a river in Egypt.
Sundin taunted the defender with one hand on his stick.
And to top it off, left him in his tracks.
Roberts, Joseph gets a leg on it.
You could almost hear him saying, "Not on my watch, buddy."
Hecht.
Last minute of play in the first period.
kicked. Heavy shot. Saved by Belfour.
Better luck next time, fellows. Now the players get a few minutes of rest, some coaching advice, and if they're lucky, maybe someone's mom brought some oranges. And with the mere push of a button, the entire hockey world reanimates again.
You lost me.
Cool.
Renberg. Corson corrals the puck. Shoots it from the right. Renberg grabbed it. Shot the puck. Marchment gets in the way. Sylvester gets the pass from Joseph. Fedorov gets caught offside and play is stopped. Renberg. Corson corrals the puck. Renberg, quick shot. Yager jumps on it. Yzerman takes it. Toronto has it. Renberg. Toronto puts its second line out. Renberg. The door is shut by Joseph.
Goaltending. Looks simple? Go ahead and try it.
Shanahan with the puck. Green gets checked. Yzerman grabbed the puck. Yzerman gets shoved with a wrist shot. Belfour made the save. Brewer takes control of the puck. Marchment grabbed it. Detroit scoops it up. Roberts gets checked.
He knocked him flatter than Kansas.
Maltby knocked him off the puck. Roberts gets it. Saved by Joseph.
No way, no how.
Sylvester. The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Shanahan. Yager gets hold of the puck. Fires it. Belfour shuts the door. McCauley jumps on the loose puck. Reichel. Joseph shut the door.
And you can almost hear him saying, "Get that weak shot out of here."
Yzerman. Lind shoots the puck. Detroit takes over. McCabe. Roberts has it. Sundin goes offside and the play is stopped. McGillney. Roberts. Sylvester in control now. Marchment took it. Maltby shoots. Belfour gets a pad on it.
I bet he's glad the team sprung for the extra cushy pads.
Marchment shoots the puck. Belfour closes the door.
He shot the puck, but he had no luck.
Feierst grabs the puck. McGillney runs over Oates. Yushkevich gets hold of the puck. McGillney gets laid out.
Maybe if he was made out of Nerf rubber, getting hit out there would have been fun.
Linden. Belfour denies him. Toronto beats out the icing call. Tucker. He misses the net. Feierst takes possession of the puck.
There's the cool buzzer sample to tell us the first is over.
Detroit really putting on the hits.
And it's put them ahead to the tune of 2.
Welcome back to the game. One team is definitely firing on all cylinders tonight, and the other team...
They can't even get started.
Corson shoots the puck from the left. Detroit got it. Chelios. Yzerman got it. Shanahan grabbed it. Corson. Lidstrom stops the shot. Yzerman scoops up the loose puck. Yager gets pushed. Green gets hold of the puck. Shanahan. He gets pushed.
At least now he can scratch "take a painful hit" off his life's to-do list.
Backhands it. Clee. Shoots the puck. Scores!
Whoa! And who says hockey players aren't artists?
And the lead is back to 1.
The other team keeps finding ways to climb back into the rink. Rink.
Door slammed shut by Joseph.
This could be the start of something big.
By number 39, Travis Green.
Smolinski fires it. Oh, he missed. Healy now has the puck. Lind takes possession. Brewer runs over Klee. Fedorov jumps on the loose puck. Maltby grabs it. Sylvester has a breakaway. Wrist shot. Brilliant save by Belfour.
He had a craving for saving.
Belfour freezes the puck. Detroit takes it. Ferguson with a wrist shot. Belfour stoned him. McGillney
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Ralston takes control of the puck. Shoots it hard. McGillney. Marchment gobbles it up. Heck now has it. Jumped on by Toronto. McGillney, wrist shot. Joseph denied him. Smolinski gets the pass from Joseph. Lind now with the puck. Yzerman, Belfour stones him cold. Cross with the puck. Shanahan. Yzerman gets the shot off. Renberg. Toronto is pulling the goalie, Don.
I'd say that tactic has as much chance of working as chips going into space.
They've already been there, Don.
Then this could get interesting.
Yager. The Red Wings go offside. Roberts. Toronto is pulling its goalie.
They got it, Jim. It's their only hope.
Offside. Sylvester got the puck. Fedorov! Green jumps on the loose puck. McGillney. Green shoots it! He misses the net! McGillney took the puck. Joseph stoned him cold. Sundin takes control of the puck. Sylvester. Fedorov! Blocked. Berg with the puck. McCauley takes it. Delayed call. Reichel taken out. Berg takes possession of the puck. Chelios will go to the box for cross-checking.
He's gonna sit for 2 minutes, Jim.
Detroit penalty.
Boy, how many times have I said that?
Detroit gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
And that's the end. Detroit takes away the victory.
I like it when I see a team that's able to play well at both ends of the ice. These guys pretty much set up camp across the other team's blue line.
For Toronto, number 27, Shane Corson.